Hi, this is Praveen, and I'm going to give you a demo of the Yatis app for GPS devices. So first, you need to download the app. You can download the app from the Google Play Store. So you go to the Google Play Store, search for Yatis, Yatis Telematics. This is the app. You can download, install. Just wait for it to get installed. Open the app, give it the required permissions it needs, and now you can download. You can start logging in. Now your username and password already have been sent to you by SMS. Typically, your mobile number will be your username. So this is a demonstration account which I'm gonna use. I've clicked in and now it's signing in. Okay, now you've successfully signed in. What you see that if you have multiple vehicles, you'll see all of them on the screen. So you can track all your vehicles on the screen. If you have a single vehicle, just go directly to that vehicle. But now you can see multiple vehicles. Now, as you see, we have got clusters of vehicles here. Now we'll look into this cluster of vehicles. There are seven into this cluster, and there are some cluster vehicles here. So we can zoom in into a particular cluster. Now we can go and look into one particular vehicle in detail. You can either click on a particular vehicle or you can choose a particular vehicle from here. We will choose this vehicle. So here we are. We are able to see the details of this vehicle. We know what's happening to this vehicle. We know the time and the speed is at the lower corner. The address is given on again on the lower side. If you want to change the view, so for example, if you like a satellite view, you can just change the satellite, go to a satellite view. I prefer the normal view. I'll go to the normal view. If you want to go back to the global view, you can just click the globe icon here, and yes, you go back to global view. Now we'll go back to our vehicle of choice and see what more we can see for this particular vehicle. I'd also like to add now, for some reason, if you want to refresh this page, you just have to uh, pull. So you can pull to refresh this page, the page will get refreshed. There's no change because the vehicle is not moving. We have now next we can go to journeys. Now journeys gives us the it's loading. Right. So journeys are trips. So trips taken by this vehicle. So you can see the trips taken by a vehicle, the starting point, the ending point, the time, the distance traveled, the time at which it happened, the time taken, the average speed. This device is not capable of handling speed or fuel consumption, so it'll just show you zero. But that is driving, and it'll show you the driving errors, which are harsh driving errors. We will look at in detail in the next set. Uh, the next page is the distance view. The distance view gives you an overview of the distance traveled by the vehicle on every day. Now you have other ways of looking at it. You can look at a monthly view, a weekly view, and you can even go back and forth in time. Okay. The next view I'm going to show you is the driving view. Driving view summarizes the driving errors detected on your vehicle. It talks about idling, harsh acceleration, harsh braking, and speeding. You can also see a particular for every you can look at this and you can see at what time this particular error happened over here, for example. We'll go back. I think the last thing we'll talk about is cutoffs. So if you want, you can remote shut down your vehicle if it's enabled on your vehicle. Uh, Please note the vehicle is cut off only when the ignition is off. So I can trigger it now, but it will only happen if your vehicle is off. Okay, now it's going to ask you a few questions about why do you want to shut down your vehicle, and you say, yeah, theft. So, for example, your vehicle is stolen, you can just shut down your vehicle. Theft. Okay, give it the required permissions. There are few permissions it's going to ask, so you might have to do this a few times for the first time, but after that, it's going to work out okay. Okay, so now it's been triggered, and we're just gonna wait for it. It may take a few. It may take a little while to trigger. Can refresh it. Okay, it's still not triggered. It's gonna take a little more longer. Yes, so now your vehicle has been locked. An alert has come that your vehicle has been locked. Now your vehicle is locked. As you can see, the status is locked. If you want to unlock your vehicle, again, just click unlock your vehicle, and your vehicle will be unlocked shortly. That's it. This is the app. Happy using the app. In case you have problems, you can contact us on our call center. The details are given at support. That's